try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Listen, we're going to talk about a touchy topic today, a very touchy topic. But you guys need to know what I think, and I need to know what you guys think. So I'm gonna tell you what I think. I want to see your replies and reviews in your comment section to let me know what you guys think. So before we go any further, people, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Manchester United is in need of a striker. Manchester United is in need of a goal scoring. Manchester United is definitely in need of a striker. Luckily, we have a striker in our midst. Luckily, we have that striker within our reach. Luckily, we don't have to pay a cent for that striker. And that striker is Mason Greenwood. Now, we know what has been happening with Mason Greenwood over the past year and a half. We know that he's now been cleared of any charges. We know that Manchester United is finishing up their internal review on his matter, and they're getting ready to pull out interview with Sky or wherever to say what he thinks and what Manchester United thinks, just to get him back into the team. I know it's going to be way too early to bring him back into the squad right now. He's going to have a preseason, going to have a new coach, reinvent himself, reinvent him to the team. But I do think that Mason Greenwood will be back, and he will be great. But before we talk about what Mason Greenwood is going to be in the future, we need to talk about what he has done. And yesterday we learned that Mason Greenwood is going to be married to Harriet. Harriet, I don't know her last name, but it's a girl that he got pregnant with in my last video about Mason Greenwood. He's going to be married. She's going to be married to him. Now we know that they have a love, that they've been knowing each other since high school, I think. So they have this deep connection with each other, and that's fine. That's perfectly okay. I don't care. I don't know, and I don't care about what is going on with Mason Greenwood. What I do know is the facts, and what I do know is that someone spilled their business out in the public, and it was that public view of his business that got the police into his business and got the police on up his ass. And she said she didn't want any filing charges against him. She didn't present any evidence. All they had was the video, and they said I can't bring him on that video because they said nothing, she said nothing, and they squash it. They're back together. They are back together. They have a baby, having a baby together. I know they're getting married. This, I think, is the best move for Mason Greenwood. Whether he liked her, he disliked her, he hated her, no, he loves her, this is the best move for Mason Greenwood and his career. Because not only is he going to be married to the woman that is going to bring his baby into this world, but he can show the world that, listen, this is the move I am making as a man, a grown man who needs to take responsibilities for my actions. Whether he did it or didn't do it, he's taking responsibilities. His wife, or soon to be wife, will take responsibilities. So I, as a fan, as a Manchester United love, born and bred, red in my veins, red in my eyes, I'm going to tell you that I respect that move, and I respect Manchester United for allowing him the time and space to live his life and get him back into the team. Because I want to see Mason Greenwood play again. I want to see Mason Greenwood score again. I want to celebrate his goals again. Because Mason Greenwood is a phenomenal player. Second to none. And he might not be the Ballon d'Or, because they have his thing on his back, but who cares? He's going to be the greatest player Manchester United I've ever seen. You talk about Rashford, he last 1 year with not playing, but he will be that leading goal scorer for Manchester United eventually. Trust me on that. He will be. We just have to give him the faith. We just have to give him the faith, people. So I want to see Mason Greenwood back in the team. I want to see him back in the squad. I want to see him training with the team in America next year, this summer. I will be there watching him. I think I'm going to buy 2 or 3 tickets depending on where they are, but I will be watching him play this season in preseason in America because that's where I'm at. I'm going to watch and I want to see them play. I want to see him win. But when it comes to the other portion of Manchester United's team, the team that's lacking a whole lot in terms of midfield area, goalkeeper. In terms of midfield, I would love to see Jude Bellingham. No, I saw this thing on TikTok the other day that Manchester United might be interested in Jude Bellingham for 110 million euros, yada yada yada. I don't mind that. And if Jude Bellingham was 110, 120, 140 paid, because he's great at this point. Next year, the year after, he's going to be absolutely ripping the place up, fam. Ripping, and with Ten Hag behind him, he's going. Listen, a lot of people talking about Frankie De Jong. That Frankie De Jong rest has been run, and he does not want to be a part of a winning team. He would rather be a part of Barcelona without cheating and sending their money to referees and doing all sorts of stuff over in Barcelona. He doesn't want to be a part of Manchester United. He doesn't want to be a part of the rebuild. He doesn't want to be a part of the Eric Ten Hag potentially Qatari regime. So you can stay there. We can send our money over to Berlin to Borussia Dortmund. Get that $100 million, 110 million for Bellingham. Get it now. Get it done now. Osimhen. Now, at first it was a cross between Harry Kane and Osimhen. And I was leaning towards Harry Kane because he can give you 25 30 goals a season easily. But the more I think about it, the more I see the varieties because I watch Osimhen every game because Napoli is my team since last year. I do think I'm leaning towards Osimhen because of the variety that he gives you, the pace that he gives you, the longevity that he gives you. And if we lose out on Osimhen this year, we're not gonna have him next year to try again or the year after. Harry Kane can go somewhere else. Can go to Chelsea. He will stay in the Premier League because he wants a Premier League record, but I don't. I am cross. I am very cross. We can use the both of them. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe 70 mil for Harry Kane, 110 for Osimhen, maybe, and then we can get rid of Martial, maybe. But I really want Osimhen, and that's what my head is at right now. Osimhen, 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 and that Porto goalkeeper, Diego Costa. Is that his name? I forgot to look it up. That Porto goalkeeper. Oh my God, he's going to be brilliant, and I would love him in my team. The man foot. Now he keep it ability, because that second to none. He can play, he can keep. We know he can keep and can save. But the man distribution is elite. The man is as good with his feet as he's with keeping the ball. And he's making saves left, right, and center. The man is very good on the ball. And if he can patch 1 or 2 passes behind for Rashford for Ronaldo, oh, orgasmic. Fucking orgasmic. Anyway, people, thank you so much for watching. This has been the build-up about Manchester United so far this season. Hope this freaking Casemiro debacle we can get over in these 4 games. The game against Fulham is going to be the first half 4 without Casemiro. But let's go. We can build on it. We can do this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Remember, drop a like on the video. Subscribe down there if you're brand new. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.